Hi, this is Sapphire Kingdom Gemology and lesson number 12. In this lesson, we are learning about Dalan, Ottu, Kowngu Yellow Sapphire, and Gewda. There are 4 categories. Those are not changed correctly inside the earth. So we can do it with heat treatments. Then carat is the unit of measurement of stone weight. So you need this measurement. 1 gram is 5 carats. 1 carat is 100 points. You need to learn this. Remember this. Okay. Now we came here. This is Dalang lot. Dalang means the small precious stones means Dalang. Very small one. There are 306 carats here. There are 500 carats here. 140 carats here. 220 carats here. 104 carats here, yellow sapphires and light blue and purple here. Those are called Dalan. Then, this is Kowngu Pushparaga. That means Kowngu Yellow sapphires. Kowngu means we can't cut with the star. We can't find stars with Pushparaga because the inside hexagonal titanium creation base is not there. Instead of that, there is a sheen. So this sheen can understand well. It is little bit white sheen. And here also there is a sheen. So that is called Kowngu Pushparaga. We can burn this into good yellow color. So Kowngu Pushparaga or Kowngu Yellow sapphires are getting heat treatment to create the good color yellow sapphires. This is Ottu. Ottu means this is the sapphire stone. The color is in outside of the skin. See, outside of the skin. Color patches in the outside. When we preform this color is removing. So no need of this. We can't change the color here because this color is, when we preform, it is removed. Here, Ottu, but outside color. Inside color is there. Outside color and some places inside little bit. Inside and outside both here. Inside and outside both here. See all the Ottu, outside Ottu. So if this color patch is inside the stone, we can burn it. We can use treatment to change the color of the Ottu. It becomes vivid yellow color. So when we choose Ottu, we have to think about this color patch must be inside the stone. Then we can improve that color. Now it is Gewda. There are 5 kinds of Gewdas. Diesel Gewda. Inside the diesel Gewda, when we watch this through the torch light, we can see the diesel color inside the stone. That is diesel Gewda. Milky Gewda, milk color inside the stone. Silky Gewda, silk color, silky inside the stone. Near milky, but the difference is there, milky and silky. Dum Gewda, it is little bit smoky color inside the stone. We can see it very well when we use a white color dish with water. We have to immerse the stone inside the water, then we can see properly the dum color. That means smoky color. Then Kowngu Yellow sapphire. Those are the gems we are heating. Diesel Gewda may be blue or red. Milky Gewda also, silky Gewda also. We can change or we can alter the color with the heat treatment. So it is called Gewda. Inside the Gewda, that treatment happening is when it starts the creation under the earth, there are some losing things are there. So we can do it inside the lab, inside the heat treatment furnace. So then it becomes very nice yellow. So it is allowed, it is legal treatment. It is not illegal treatment like beryllium. So these are the things we have to understand. When we heat the stone Gewda, we have to remove all the cracks and everything with air bubbles also. Right. Gewda means inside the Gewda, rutile fibers. If inside Gewda there are rutile fibers, give translucent appearance to the stone. Also, titanium oxide gives a milky or silky appearance. Remember, titanium oxide is there. We can convert that titanium oxide to blue color when heating. Titanium is joining with the iron inside the blue sapphire and creates the area colored by this titanium plus oxide, iron. So titanium oxide gives milky and silky appearance, gives more vivid blue. Rutile fibers, translucent appearance, give translucent appearance, and the titanium oxide gives a milky or silky appearance. When iron oxide is present, it becomes a diesel look. Inside the stone, if iron oxide is present, it looks like diesel when viewed through the light. So remember these things. By heat treatment, Gewda becomes blue or red, while Kowngu Yellow converts to yellow. Many stones are destroyed during heat treatment due to the presence of very fine air bubbles. Inside these air bubbles, CO2 and H2O are there, and brittleness. This should be done after scraping the cleanest part of the stone. Remember that. Next lesson, we are learning about sapphire treatments. Can be learned in the next session. Join us and enrich your future. We will meet in the next part, lesson number 13. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Now, I stop the class.